RIZZ AI data assistant, how to use. So this is super cool app and idea, and it starts to climb in the charts quite high. It's getting some traction and reviews on TikTok. So this app will help you out with your dating game. This AI-powered app uses cutting-edge LLMs to generate personalized responses that are sure to impress your crush. RIZZ gives you the edge you need to stand out from the crowd. With our intuitive interface and personalized algorithms, you will never be at loss for the words again. So how does it work? Basically, you either upload the screenshots of your conversation with your matches or even your matches bio, or you can just type text yourself, and then you will receive instant and video replies tailored to your unique situation. So basically, you just don't know how to chat on Tinder, Bumble, for example, just don't know what's the best way to reply, you can just get some ideas from this app what would be the interesting reply based on some LLMs, which are large language models like ChatGPT or something like that. So it's not only for dating. You can use this app. You can use this also for conversations with friends or family. There is even a formal option to use for networking and professional communications. So yeah, and then you're getting a lot of free replies and advices. So then you can just open the app, and you don't even need to create an account. And then this is how it looks like. You can just enter text manually. Then, for example, if you want to get some help in your dating game, this is basically, imagine this is your like Tinder chat. Then you just enter the name of your match in the top, and then you can see you can just enter their reply, like, or what they message you, whatever. I can just enter something really boring here. In the bottom, you see there is like 47 free replies per day left. And then so here, you can just see, some ideas which for replies. I don't know. So yeah, something like that. Of course, some of them are not that good. Some of them are maybe bad or something, but at least you can get some ideas and maybe for you get some creative stuff going. I don't know if you're struggling in chatting like that, this can be quite helpful app. And the cool thing is that then you can just enter their reply again, and then enter. And then, for example, you can just copy this reply, let's say, and then it will be my reply. And then there, like, whatever. So something like that. And then yeah, so you get the idea, and then you can just do it. In the bottom, you can tap unlock more RIZZ, get 100 free replies for each friend who joins with your invite as well. So feel free to use my invite, for example. Here you can just go and then just use this invite. And then also you can get unlimited replies. You can get if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade for $7 per week or $70 yearly. So there you have it, something like that. And then you can just unlock this subscription. So yeah, that's the idea. You can contact their support survey. I don't know what that is, but anyways, there's just, yeah, it's pretty easy to use. I'm not sure if this app is available on Android, but now you can get it on iOS. It's very minimalistic. But it's a good idea. It's a good niche. I guess there will be more and more apps like that, because if you just ask in ChatGPT, it's not like that intuitive. So here you can just kind of also, of course, just tap upload a screenshot. It will recognize it and then generate responses for you. So pretty cool.